So what is an adverb? So an adverb is a word used to modify a verb, an adjective, or another adverb in a sentence. Let's have some examples. He runs quickly. In this, quickly is an adverb which is modifying a verb, run. This is a very sweet mango. Here, very is an adverb which is modifying an adjective, sweet over here. And the third one example we have is, the girls read quite clearly. Quite is an adverb which is modifying another adverb, clearly. So the next is types of adverbs. So the very first type of adverb is adverbs of time, and they show us which show when. For example, the very first example we have is, I have heard this before. So before is an adverb of time here. Second example is, he comes here daily. So daily is an adverb of time. Third example is, that day he arrived late. Arrived is an adverb of time. Second type is adverbs of frequency, which show how often. For example, the very first example is, I have told you twice. So twice is an adverb of frequency. The postman called again. Again is an adverb of frequency. He seldom comes here. So seldom is an adverb of frequency. Third type of adverb is adverbs of place, which show where. For example, number one is, stand here. So here is an adverb of place. Walk backward. Backward here is an adverb of place. After this, the fourth type of adverb is adverbs of manner, which show how or in what manner. For example, the very first example we have is, this story is well written. So well is an adverb of manner here. Second is, the boys work hard. So hard is an adverb of manner. Fifth type is adverbs of degree or quantity, which show how much or to what extent. For example, he was too careless. Too is an adverb of degree. I am fully prepared. So fully is an adverb of degree. This is all about adverb and its types.